Yun na nga, daming umalma. Not just men. Why some people aren't ready for a long-time relationship? Real talk. Okay, real talk ha. Laging sinasabi ng mga tao bakit puro lalaki daw ang hindi ready. Pero, guys, minsan mga babae rin. Let's talk about it. Unang-una, the truth. Hindi lang lalaki ang hindi ready sa long relationship or long-term relationship. Some women too. Kasi readiness isn't about gender, it's about emotional timing. Minsan both sides are scared, not of love but of losing themselves in it. Number 2, reason why people aren't ready. Okay, bigyan ko kayo ng mga dahilan. Bigyan ko kayo ng 3 dahilan. Number 1, unhealed trauma. Hindi ka makabuo ng bagong relasyon kung bit-bit mo pa ang lahat ng sugat ng dati. Pangalawa, fear of commitment. Kasi commitment means effort, honesty, and consistency. Hindi lahat ready magbigay non-stop. Pangatlo, wrong timing. Minsan mahal mo pero priorities mo career, healing, or peace. Love can't wait. Self-growth can't. So, what is my advice? So, kung narinig mo na, I'm not ready, huwag agad husgahan. Tanungin mo, hindi ready sa relasyon o hindi ready para sa akin? Ganun. Kasi minsan, gusto ka nila. Pero, gusto rin nilang maayos muna sarili nila. Oh my. So, yun nga guys. At kung ikaw, yung hindi pa ready, that's okay. Healing is a part of loving. Ang mahalaga, huwag kang magstay sa relationship kung alam mong hindi pa buo sarili mo. Ikaw, comment mo nga. Ikaw ba? Ready ka na ba? O healing pa rin?